Welcome back to the channel and episode 32 of the Clean Sweep. Today we are in London at the Excentr for the UK's largest cleaning show. The cleaning show has been going for a number of years now. Unfortunately we've missed it the last few years, but we're here today and we're going to take you guys round and check out some of the suppliers and see what they've got to offer. So let's head inside and see what's going on. So we are with one of our suppliers, the Ivo Group. They are nice and local to us. We've got Niek from Excentr. Now these are fantastic pieces of kit. We've actually done a standalone video with these, so we'll put that down in the link below for you guys to check out. So Niek, tell me what these fantastic machines do.
Yeah, thank you, Chris. So these machines are the Excentr machines, and they work according to the Excentr Method. And the Excentr Method is based on 5 principles, right? So first of all, we have a square shape.
Yeah, usually they're round, right?
Exactly. So all the alternatives are round,
yeah,
which I believe is not really clever because you cannot clean in the corners.
Yeah, true.
So with a square machine, you're able to reach the corners and awkward places. So that's the first benefit. The second benefit is that we reduce chemical usage by 95%.
Okay.
So traditional equipment, you always use chemicals and water.
Yeah.
Here in 95% of the cases, just water.
Okay.
Only when you have a lot of limescale
Yeah.
or a lot of grease, we use some chemicals. Yeah. The third benefit is that it's really easy to operate. You have tested the machine yourself,
no,
right?
I mean, it's idiot-proof if there is such a thing. With a traditional rotary machine, they can take some getting used to for people that are new to using that machine. So,
Yeah.
no, these are really simple to use.
Exactly, very ergonomic,
Yeah.
easy to work with. So that's one of the other benefits. And then we have a deep cleaning effect.
Okay.
So when you're working with a rotational machine, like a standard single disc machine or scrubber dryer, you have a long motion, a
Yeah.
round motion, and you can never deep clean, right? Because the fibers are going in one direction. And with a very short 7mm movement,
Yeah.
we are able to actually deep clean. So we do have stick machines for like not the typical daily work, but more the deep cleaning, renovation on natural stone, stripping of surfaces.
Yeah.
For that applications, we have the stick machines.
Okay.
And then a little bit further, we have the scrubber dryers.
Let's have a look at that.
So the scrubber dryers have the same benefits, so also the eccentric scrub deck, but then they are meant for daily use.
Every day.
Yeah, so you have your clean water on board, even a solution tank on board, so the machine does your dosing automatically.
Okay.
Yeah, your wastewater tank, so you scrub with fresh water, and then you extract the dirty water to your wastewater tank.
Yeah.
And it's super easy to operate it, Chris. You have like 2 different settings. You push basic for basic cleaning when your floor is not too dirty, but
Is that
just
like
needs
everyday cleaning?
everyday cleaning.
Yep.
And when you have a more dirty surface, you go for heavy cleaning.
So what's the difference between the two? What setting does that change if I press this one? Is it the speed it moves
Yeah,
at?
good question. Yeah, so you have around 30% more RPM.
Okay.
Working on the heavy duty
Yep.
modus. You have a little bit more chemicals,
Right.
a little bit more water because you
Right.
need to rinse the floor
Yeah.
better, and also 30% more vacuum power.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it picks up. The unit, obviously the one we've trialled, comes with so many different pads for varying different floor types. How many pads does it come with in the range?
I would say, like, in general, you have around 35 different pads.
Depending
for
on what type of floor.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the Excentr Method, and it doesn't matter if you have the smallest or the biggest version.
Yeah.
Those are
All the
available
same.
for all.
Yeah, I found that really useful having the varying different pads for different floor types, and that was ultra useful because sometimes if you've got a particular type of floor and you're using a rotary machine with a black pad, you don't necessarily get the good results, and you've got to do work with your hands on top of that. So this really is a one-fit solution for all your flooring needs. It's a fantastic one, and it's the most badass floor cleaning equipment on the market, as we know. So Niek, thank you for showing us around, my friend. Another great find at the cleaning.